Good morning, my name is Rakesh and today we'll talk about the fluency. There are a few problems which you can tackle in no time. How you can speak without thinking, how you can speak without translating from your native language to English. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks. I'll be sharing some idea. I'll be sharing some technique. Through that you can speak English without translating. When you are talking in English, like I'm speaking right now to you, Am I translating? Do you think I'm translating? No, not at all. I'm not translating. I'm directly speaking. What I want to speak, I speak directly. I do not need to translate. I don't have to translate. How you can just speak without thinking, without translating? First thing you need to take care is time. Second thing you need to take care is action. So let's talk about timing first. Timing, there are three times: present, past and future. These are three times. And how many actions? There are four actions: routine, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. So let's take a routine. Routine means what? The work, the action which you do every day, that's routine. I get up every day, I get ready every day for my office, I go to my office every day, I meet my friends every day, I call my friends every day, I have my dinner every day, I have my lunch every day, I have my breakfast every day, I carry my brunch with me every day. So these are sentences, these are the work, these are the actions, these are the tasks which you do every day. The action which you do every day is a routine action, that's it. So whenever you are speaking about the action which you do every day, you can speak that action in three times. So I say, I go to my office, present time, but I want to speak the same sentence in the past time. No need to translate. I would say, I went to my office. If I want to say same thing in the future time, I'll say, I will go to my office. So I go to my office, I went to my office, I will go to my office. One action, three times. So when you are speaking, do care about time. So I help you. If I say I help you, it's a routine action. If I want to speak in the past time, I'll say I'll help you. In the future time I want to speak, I'll say I will help you. So I help you, I helped you, I will help you. Three sentences, meaning is one, time is different. Same thing, if you want to speak in the continuous. Continuous means what? The work, the action which you want to keep in the progress. That's a continuous action. So continuous actions, if I'm saying I'm talking to you. If you want to speak the same sentence in the past time, how to say I was talking to you. And if you want to say same thing in the future time, I will be talking to you. So while speaking English, do care about what time you were talking. If you're talking about present time and action is continuous, you say I am talking to you. You want to say same thing in the past time, I was talking to you. You want to say same thing in the future time, I'll be talking to you. Most of the people make a mistake because they are literally confused about timing. They are literally confused about actions, and which is why they are bound to translate from their native language to English. Whether you are speaking Punjabi, you are speaking Hindi, or you're speaking Tamil, Telugu, or you are speaking Bengali, any language you speak in India, and you want to translate from one language to another language, that's first thing in Hindi, and then you take some time to think in Hindi and translate, and then you speak. It's a time-taking process from one language to another language, which is why I'm suggesting you, my friends, you should not translate. Directly you can say, I am speaking to you. I was speaking to you. Future, I'll be speaking to you. Coming to the next action is perfect. It means finished action. The action which has been completed. Nothing remained. So the action which is finished, the work which is finished, that's a finished action. That's a perfect. So you want to speak the same thing in the present time, past time, and future time. You can say, I have completed my work. In the past time, you want to say, you can say, I had completed my work. In the future, you want to say, I will have completed my work. So I have completed my work, I had completed my work, I will have completed my work. Three sentences, meaning is one, time is different. I have completed my work. I want to say the same thing in the past. I had completed my work and I will have completed my work. One action 3 times. Meaning is one, time is different. How easy it is, my friends. Just you can understand it. One sentence can be spoken in 3 times. When you know this technique to speak one sentence in 3 times, there will not be a problem. You won't be translating. We will be directly speaking. You will be directly speaking. This is what I want to say. Moving to the next action, it's perfect continuous. Or you can say finished action mentioned with time. So if I say I have been talking to you for 10 minutes, same thing you want to say in the past time, you can say I had been talking to you for 10 minutes. And same thing you want to say in the future time, I will have been talking to you for 10 minutes. I have been talking to you for 10 minutes. I had been talking to you for 10 minutes. I will have been talking to you for 10 minutes. 3 sentences, meaning is one, time is different. So my friends, whenever you speak English, do care about timing. One action 3 times, meaning is one, time is different. Remember, my friends, do care about action and time. Once you have mastered these 2 points, this 2 technique, it will be quite easy for you to speak English without any hesitations, and your fluency will be enhanced and your speed will be enhanced. We'll be speaking in the next video about new chapter, about new technique which will help you to speak English without any hesitation. Till then, goodbye.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood.